That side and the opposite side. And the other one too. See? This is the bar. Gold's Gym 5-foot bar. Also, at the end of this video is the assembly and review of this combo curl bar. Stay tuned! Hi guys, it's Sunday, April 19, 2020. And welcome to my channel, Ernesto Explores. If you're new to my channel, just please click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you stay updated and abreast of all my new videos. So this is the unboxing of this Gold's Gym weightlifting bar. Show you the box. Gold's Gym weightlifting bar. It's a 5-foot bar. Holds standard weight plates. It's comfortable knurled grip, fits standard plates, 2 spin lock collars, 3-piece assembly. Weights are sold separately. Build and strengthen. So that's the bar. So online there are more free videos. The time now is 8:30 p.m. Central. So this is the box. I also have here a piece of hammer because I think I'm gonna need it. Scissors and tape measure. Guys, these are the parts. 3-piece assembly. 1, 2, 3. This is the user guide. So I'm gonna put them all together. This 3-piece assembly. First, I have to line up all the holes in here. I have to line up all the holes and use this. I have to hammer this here. See, the good thing about the paper towel, white paper towel, I could see the white over there. See the white hole right there at the very bottom. See, once I see the hole, once I see the white paper towel at the very bottom, I have to align this roll pin. See, I can see the hole. This white paper towel is really a big help because I could see the white at the very bottom of the hole when I lined up all those all the holes together. And this is the roll pin. So it looks like that side and the opposite side and the other one too. See? This is the bar. So let's go to the room and try this. There's a rubber ring here for protection. These are just 10-pound weight plates. £30 on each side. This is the bar. Gold's Gym 5-foot bar. So let's try this. I think it worked pretty good. The incline bench press and also the shoulder shrugs, and as well as the barbell curls. I have here the Gold's Gym Build and Strengthen Your Arms and Chest Combo Curl Bar. Combo Curl Bar. Holds standard weight plates. That's the male model. You can do that exercise. It strengthens your arms and chest. It has curved solid steel bar, fits standard weight plates, 2-piece assembly, used to build triceps or biceps, comfortable rubber grip, 2 spin lock collars, bar holds up to 200 pounds. Even your chest. And the curl design and rubber grip provide a comfortable workout. There are videos on internet. So I have here the roll pin. Okay, this is the roll pin, only just one roll pin. And 2 collars. And 2-piece assembly. All I need to do is just to line up the holes. this. The holes. I got the holes lined up. See? And I have my hammer. It's just difficult to line up the holes. That's it, guys. I suppose this is supposed to be the right way to do that. However, I might damage my pool table's cloth right here, so I did it this way. So it's just now one piece. And let me check. You have to check if it's wiggling. It's not wiggling, so that's good. Yeah, nothing is wiggling. It's stable. So this is the curl bar. Do it like that.
So this is the finally assembled combo curl bar by Gold's Gym or CAP. One exercise that I like using it with is this French curl for triceps. Other exercises are not shown.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Mega shout out to Team Premier and also to my
Family!
Mike and Judith of Las Vegas and Nani's World of Jovi.
Thank you for supporting our channel members, our Mindori Journey, Kong Youngs, D. Garcia, and Alexander Malate. My other members, Kentis Vlog, Chia Adventure, Bikoy Vlog, and Yolo Amore. Thank you also to all my past super chatters and past members. Thank you for all your support.
You made it! He's going on a trip around the country, all 50 states.